This one is multi-family, and there's furniture at it, and it's an alley only.
Okay.
Today is the first day, and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Good enough?
Yeah. Yeah. I shouldn't drive on those pallets.
I'm not. Just a tree root.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay. So just don't forget they're there, but I don't think you'll drive on them.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, I'd like to order a rum and coke, if I may.
Yes.
Just stand here and wait for my drink.
Can I see some ID?
Oh. Never mind. I'm too young.
That looks comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, it does look comfy, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And what is this?
Butter, yeah.
Oh, I've never seen a metal one. Usually you see the wooden. Oh.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It's not quite fancy. It's $30, so it has to be a little fancier for us, I think.
I like this middle piece.
It's just decoration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
That's
bowl,
worth it, more than $3. I think we should probably get that.
Thank you.
Just make sure that doesn't come off.
Yeah, get that on there tight.
I think that's good.
Okay.
It's like a long cord on it too.
Yeah, good score. Do you want me to carry that?
Sure. It's dirty though, so don't put it up against your body if you can help it. See?
Yep.
Like I did. Don't do that.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's paint by number.
Oh yeah, you're right. What's that frame on the very bottom?
Well, she's pretty.
Oh, I think it's empty though.
Oh, is it?
It's just
I
the
can't
frame,
see.
like
Oh,
literally.
yeah. Okay.
Not even back.
Ah.
What's that dresser in there?
This
Oh,
here?
it's not a dresser.
No. Oh, it has doors.
Yeah, it has doors. We just didn't put them back in.
Oh, yeah. I think just that, eh?
What are we on there? Big $3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right on. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that little kid's table.
Yeah.
Card table.
For the grandchildren.
Yeah.
Chair, you even got the decal on the top of the chair there.
Her stuff. Oh, yeah.
Nobody.
And the old rocker over there, the rocking horse for the kid.
Yeah.
The child's, that's for a small guy.
Yeah, for a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, really little, yeah.
Okay, thanks again.
Thank you.
Look at the iridescence on that, eh?
Well, once I clean it, it'll really show up. It's actually white.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure it's not off-white? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
We're full.
Yeah. Let's put it on the other side of that box on the floor. No, just straight here. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely needs a cleaning. But
All right. Okay.
I think that'll sell. Put 25 on it. See what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Bushwhacking over here.
Weed whacking?
Just climbed the berm, the curb, the alley curb.
Even hitting the curbs in the alley. Only you could do that, I think.
Well, it's a talent.
Yeah.
It's comes with years of practice.
So this next one is a fundraiser for seniors. Yeah. We've been to it before. We have found things there before. I think we got the Christmas ornaments
Oh, okay.
there and our vitrified.
Vitrified porcelain plates.
Yeah. You notice there's not a chip out of any of them?
I know. Yeah. Well, they're such good quality. They're restaurant quality
Yeah.
plates. The vitrified porcelain.
Oh,
This
maybe
is it.
it is this one.
This is it.
Okay. I never know which one it's because we've gone to one at that one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, this is good.
Oh, there's the curb.
There it is.
I found it.
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully they got some nice stuff.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Hello. It's a nice old magazine stand.
Yeah, they're hard to sell.
Are they? I smell lunch.
I know.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Magic pig wand. Wave once over food to remove calories. Wave twice over dessert. I could totally use one of those.
I know. Me too.
I just constantly wave it over my belly.
That's interesting. Look at these icicles.
Yeah.
They look vintage. Probably with only the two.
Probably.
Here's battery operated lights.
For one of your super tiny trees, or what?
No, for the top of the handrail thing. Battery operated.
Oh yeah.
I think for that I'll get them. I kind of like these. Are they 25 cents? Like, is that off of them?
Just stick it on. I think
Well,
so.
no, I don't want to do that. Well, here's the noisy ones.
And if you want to try the lights, there's plug-ins.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know the price on that. I'll probably try these ones, hey?
Sure.
I don't know how much they are, though. And these ones.
Okay.
So, I'll go around, I guess.
And there's more of those little packs with the batteries too.
Oh, okay.
This is,
Yvette's, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Anything that's bought at these two tables, you pay me.
okay. Yeah, I got one of these.
Yeah, can you grab those? Thank you. Come play with the lights with you. Yeah. Oh. Oh, look at them. You like them? Those are kind of neat.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. How much are those ones?
Yeah, how about a couple of bucks for a buck?
Sure. And then this one. Oh, there it is.
No, there it is.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't find it at first either. Oh, yeah.
It sounds identical to the other one.
I know. Yeah. Okay. Good.
And how much is that?
I don't know. I
How
didn't.
about $2 for that, $1 for that, $3, and then one pack of that, right?
And then no, he's got the other two.
Okay, so
I'll stick it all in this bag if that's
sure,
okay.
that's okay.
3.
What's it like out?
It's
it's windy. It's cooler than it looks.
Yeah, it's not bad though.
I wish it would warm up.
It's-
Cooled off in here,
it's not-
I tell ya.
Yeah, it's
Blizzarding,
it's cool
so
out
I
there.
mean,
Yeah, that's a bonus, right?
Yeah.
You keep threatening snow or wind.
I know,
Are
like,
you kidding me?
just go away, winter.
Yeah.
We've had enough of you.
Yeah, exactly. That's all.
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you, girl. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Must be like emergency lights
Yeah.
at night.
Yeah. So they charge themselves. They got batteries in the.
Oh
as
yeah,
soon
that's
as-
why the
as soon
ballast
as
is
it-
so big.
And
Yeah.
as soon as it feels no power coming in,
Yeah. Then it comes on.
yeah, then it comes on.
Yeah. Oh, it is.
They must have. They must have replaced them, eh?
Yeah, they must have. Oh, and some casters. These are pretty heavy duty.
Yeah.
It's a nice light fixture. I mean, we don't need one, but this sure is nice.
Oh yeah, it is nice.
I just don't know what it would sell for. I think it's new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
It looks like it is, yeah. Oh no, it's been installed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, what does it matter, but. And then some people don't like when you can see the bulb.
Yeah.
I know it's
glass.
nice, but yeah.
Nice glass
I
fixture
just
for
don't.
$3, but yeah.
It's kind of vintage looking with that chrome. Oh my god, that smells so good.
I know. The hot
I'm
dogs.
dying.
It's so delicious smelling.
It is. Oh, there's another. There's not very many, or is that the same amount on that one? That's 75 cents for that one.
Yeah.
Where did I see it?
Yeah.
So, oh,
I saw it too. Oh, there it is.
oh yeah. There's a plug-in over there.
Okay.
Dong, 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 dong.
Dong, 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 dong.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Doo doo.
Okay.
Okay. Well, good. Like we'll have 3 of them that all come on when we
Oh,
plug it in.
good.
I know that's your favorite. This is cute.
Yeah, I saw that when we first walked in.
I don't know if that's
I wonder if you could put something else in there.
Angie's thing. Well, it's new.
Oh, okay.
We, like, I think that's the
Stapled?
staples. Yeah.
We're still gonna pay for those.
Yep.
We already paid for this stuff, but then we found another string here just on a random table
Yeah.
over there. So, 75 cents right there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here,
Just
put
put
it
that in the.
in the bag. Yeah. Sorry.
Letting go of it was not an option.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks. See you. It was really tough for me to bypass all that baking, but I'm on my diet.
I know, and then that,
All that delicious baking out there. Oh
and
my
then the
God.
fried onions.
Oh,
like,
I know.
all you do is fry onions, and like people are like, suddenly they want a hot dog.
Yes, please.
They haven't eaten a hot dog in 10 years because they don't like them, but the smell of fried onions is so good. Or garlic.
It all smelled good.
It did all smell good.
Okay, on to the next.
Yep. We're gathering a few things here.
Yeah, starting to fill it up.
Yep. Yeah, we need more lights. The forest.
Oh, now we don't have that. Oh, now we need more trees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now we need more lights. Now we need more trees.
Uh-oh. You're
It's
on
a
to
vicious
me.
cycle, yeah.